In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create an order form on your Wix website. So this is super easy, and let's get started right away. So what you want to do for this, you want to just click on Add Apps, and this will load up the Wix App Market, and you want to search for 123, and it will probably already pop up 123 form, and right here it says 123 form builder and payments, and I already installed it, so I can just click on open. But for you guys, you probably have to click on add right there and then just follow these steps, and that will basically add the form builder just like this. From there on out, what you want to do is click on settings and then click on forms right there and select the order form, because currently it's set on contact form, but you have to select it on the order form. And as you can see, this will now change it. You can also go to what else can you do? You can click on customize form, and you have to log in with an account. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that right now. And once you have done that, the form builder will open up, and you can choose or change all these different stuff. So you can add more payments. You can change, instead of the product types, to type 1, 2, 3, for example, red, blue, green, for example. So yeah, as you can see, you can customize this however you like, and then just click on publish, and that will basically just save what you have done just now. And yeah, as you can see, it's right there. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.